Well, just on the subject of power supply repairs and general computer maintenance, before I go any further, I want to lubricate the fan. If you have had a problem with a noisy fan, most of them can be relubricated. If you peel the label off one side or the other, often the motor side with the wires, you can see the bearing directly. And a couple of drops of good oil in there, like engine oil I use, will stop any noise and drastically extend the life of the bearings when we finally have to replace the fan. So I haven't got any oil to hand, of course, so I'm just going to find some. Okay, that's the oil I'm using. It stays stored away somewhere, it's not going to make a mess if it leaks. This is actually Mobil 1 engine oil, 5W30 or something like that. And a little hypodermic syringe, well, not hypodermic, a syringe with a applicator needle rather than a hypodermic needle. These are plain, flat end, not sharp. So used in industry, and you can buy them easily on eBay in packs of assorted sizes. And get disposable syringes, they're dead cheap. I've got my finger out. There's something to wipe my finger now before I start touching other things. Right. Okay, so all I do is put, hopefully this syringe hasn't stuck so it jumps. I'm trying to look through here, so I can see what I'm doing. Syringe is stuck. And that is pull it in. There we go. Get freed up. Pull it back so you don't squirt a load out. And then just get some of the air back out. And once the plunger's moving again, it lubricates itself. And hopefully you can now squeeze a bit of oil out there like that. You see it's quite controllable as long as the plunger isn't seized up. I don't want to put crazy amounts on it, and then pull the plunger back again to get the excess out the needle and just wipe it off out the tip. So that should now run into the bearings. This has actually got a rigid plastic disc which should fit in the recess there, so I might just peel that off and stick that back first to help seal the oil in. Be careful you don't overfill it. You don't want to be flooding the thing. You can see that's got the oil basically trapped under the disc now. I just put the label back round and rub it down again. Rub it down the back of the finger now. The oil should now be trapped there and keep that bearing in good condition for quite a while. Now I'm going to put this back together. It's a big insulating sleeve goes underneath it. Fits over the studs in the case, the screw bosses. And the power supply circuit board's got to drop in under the connector and inside that plastic sleeve. The leads have got a vent, I think they want to be up a bit from where they were. Just wangle that a little bit in. Get that choke's been awkward. It's got to go in further. I don't know what it's not doing. Came out there. Oh, maybe just wants to go straight down now. It's just that wiring is quite a tight fit around there. I've got a circuit out, so it needs to go in a bit sideways. But, no, I don't like that. It's still lifted a bit, but there's very little clearance there between that choke And the whole thing is packed, isn't it? That choke and that socket, that's it, it's unsnagged. Now it's a matter of just getting it over the screw bosses. That's it's being pressed down at that side. And it's next to, that's it, it's gone. That's it, it's back in its place. Okay, now screw it back together. And see what happens. Screwdriver's hiding behind the lid. That's the PCB screws back in. It needs a cable tie to hold it all together. There's a little pressed in bit there, stamped through point for a cable anchor. String leaf. So put the cable tie through that. Just clamp all the cables back to it as they were originally. And the edge there is folded over, so it's not a sharp edge. You can see at the top there, it's just double back on itself. So it's got a rounded edge for the cable to rest against. Just give it a bit of a bend so they're clear of the lid edge. And then chop that down and put the lid on. So there's a fan to go on there. That flying lead. You can't see very well because it's so close in. And hopefully, I'll scribbles on the side to remind myself that this was a dead one. I didn't repair it straight away. And also what form factor it is. TFX. That's tight. That's it. So now, hopefully, that should be good to go. And last for another few years. It's a spare for the machine I've just put together, which is an identical or nearly identical Antec case. It's a kind of slimline. It's wide into things, I can't show it, but it's a kind of semi-slimline, low-profile case. It stands on edge. Anyway, well, that's it. That's the thickness. That's the height of the case, basically. The width of that power supply. It uses low-profile cards. Okay, well, that's it for now. Hope it was of some interest, and thanks for watching. And please subscribe and please like the video if you want to see more. Okay, I couldn't resist. I've got to know if it works or not. So this is the board that was in the case I used to build my other machine. That the alternate case from the one that was in. So I've just plugged it all in to find the correct power on-off pins on here, the power button pins, and see what it does. So that's the wrong angle, it's all hidden. Okay, it's the red one there. I've got a little speaker plugged in, and I also got this boot monitoring card in. Didn't do anything. Possible explanation. Try again. Yes. Okay, the BIOS is something not happy. It's continuously beeping, which I have no idea why. But we've got plus minus 12 volts, 3.3 volts, 5 volts. And then we've got standby or something once we've turned on. So it looks like the power supply is working, but the board's not happy, for whatever reason. It's forced off. See what happens when I power it on. You can see the monitor board. Find the right pins at an angle. Come here. I can get them too. Yeah, there we go. I'm not sure if the processor in this needs a separate video card or if it's using the built-in video or anything. I don't know what's in it, to be honest. It's an AM3 CPU of some sort. Oh, and the battery's going on the phone from the recording and so on. So, okay, anyway, looks like the power supply's okay. So, thanks for watching here.